Circular dependencies in Spring. So let's understand what is circular dependency. If bean A is dependent on bean B, so bean is nothing but objects in Java, and bean B is also dependent on bean A. So the thing is that we are auto-wiring B in class A and we are auto-wiring A in class B, and what happens? So this is called as circular dependency. So to load this A class we required B, to load this B class we required A. So there is a class. So that is called circular dependencies. So let's take one example. Okay. This is my Spring toolsuit. I will be creating one example. Spring Boot starter project. Java 8 currently I'm using. Circular dependency test I will be creating. Go to next. Select web only and I will be selecting lower version so that this will work. Create. So I have created this circular dependency test application. I have added only web, so I will update one properties file server.port to 2022. That's it. Let's try to run this example. Spring Boot application. It is running up and running fine. So let's create two beans here. I have class A. This is my class A, and one more class I have to create. This is class B. So I will declare both the classes as component. Okay, so this is my component A and this is my component B, and now class B is required A, and class A required B. That's it. So I will write one auto wire at the rate for dependency injection auto wire. Similarly for class B also I need to write this auto wiring. Now let's try run this application because component is always scanned automatically. So let's try to run this example and we'll see some error here. Okay, here if you see we got this error. Okay, the dependencies of some beans in the application context. So if you see a dot b and b dot a from a cycle, so our application failed to start because of this circular dependency. So here is there an unresolvable circular references. Now let's try to solve this. Okay, now in such case we should not have this type of dependencies, but if in such case we have one more property here. Here we have this spring dot main dot allow dot circular references. If I declared as true, then it should work. Let's try to run this example. Let's remove. Now again run this example. Okay, now if you see our application is up and running on this particular port. So this is one way to solve quick fix of this one, but if you want you can do one more thing here. So by using constructor also you can solve this problem. So here I will be creating constructor of A, and in this constructor let's create a public and declare this as lazy, and here you need to write b and b this dot b is equal to b. So like this we will try to run this example. So the port is already being used. Clear the console. Now let's run again. Okay, here also our application is up and running fine on port number 2022. So two ways I have explained. One more way you can do auto wire using setter methods. So here I will generate one setter method. So generate get and setter. Okay, so here I need to write auto wire above the plus. Setter injection is by default lazy, that's why we should not get error. So this is the third way to solve this problem. Similarly for B we have to do similar public this dot A is equal to A. Let's run this example. Okay, this application is already running on this board. So now let's run Okay, this is the third way to resolve this dependency. So in this tutorial, I have shown you three ways. One more way is left. I will explain later. So if you know that, you can comment me on comment sections. So these are the three ways what I have explained for to resolve this circular dependency issue. Thank you so much for watching.